Now, you still sneezing indoors? Or maybe wildfire smoke and pet dander makes your air feel heavy?
Today I'm testing what Dreamy called.
The world's first AI powered tracking air purifier. This thing doesn't just clean your air, it actually follows you with clean airflow. Sounds futuristic, right? But I want to see if this thing really works or if it's just like marketing hype. Let's go.
Now this is the Dreamy AirPursue PM20.
A 3-in-1 purifier, heater, and air circulator.
Now you might know Dreamy from the vacuums that I've tested before.
So I was curious about this purifier. Now, invisible pollution indoors can be 5 times worse than outside. Then you have pets and then allergies or wildfire season. And suddenly, air quality matters a lot more than we think. So I put this in my space for a few weeks to see if it actually makes a difference. So what's the headline feature here? The EnviroDetect radar technology. It has no cameras, just smart radar. It senses when you're in a room and literally directs clean air towards you. If it detects multiple people or pets, it automatically oscillates so everyone gets fresh air. Watch this. I move to the left, it adjusts within 2 seconds. Now, the PM20 has a 4-layer filtration system that blocks 99.99% of harmful particles. Everything from pollen and dander to VOCs and even bacteria and viruses,
Now Dreamy says it tackles 14 pollutants.
and removes 9 types of bacteria and viruses.
And to switch out the filters, it's super easy as well. The doors are magnetic so you don't struggle putting it on. And the filtration has a black layer where you can take off to clean and put it back on the new one. Now, after 1 week of usage, this is what it looks like.
Now, it moves a lot of air, which is strong enough to clean spaces up to 7534 square feet for an hour. With Dualflow circulation, it doesn't just push air upward like most purifiers. It actually circulates across the room. That means faster cleaning and even more coverage.
Now you can use this as a fan. As you can see here, it's pushing about 20, 25, 26 degrees Celsius, good circulation for the room. And now I've set it to the heater version of it. And as you could see, the maximum that it can go on the app is 40 degrees Celsius, but it will heat up higher than that to like 60 degrees Celsius, as you could see here. And you could see the ring as well that it's heating up, which is really cool. If it's winter, then you can use it as well while purifying the air.
Now, I love how it's also whisper quiet at just 32 decibels on low, and it has 7 smart sensors that track everything from PM 2.5 to formaldehyde, and you can control it with the built-in voice assistant.
Or the Dreamy Home app.
Plus, it has wheels hidden underneath, so you can actually roll it around your room without breaking your back.
Now, of course, with any fan, it should oscillate pretty far. This oscillates at a maximum of 180 degrees. You can keep it still, set it to follow, or set it to 45 degrees, 90 degrees, or even 180 like we're testing right now. Now let's try this. We have a smoke machine here, and basically we're gonna turn this on and see if this PM20 will be able to suck this all in and clear the air. We're gonna show you as well how it became bad air, poor air, and then too good.
Now we baby-proofed everything except the air. And honestly, my kids sleep better with cleaner air. This saved us. Now new floors, fresh paint, great look, but also invisible toxins. This purifier handled it. Now it actually replaced multiple devices with this one. A fan, a heater, and my old purifier. Honestly, I was very skeptical, but this surprised me. It's not just cheaper, it does more. So, what's the verdict?
The Dreame AirPursue PM20.
Isn't just another air purifier. It's smarter, faster, and fits right into your daily life. Now, if you want to check it out, I'll leave the link in the code below. Might be worth to check it out actually during the wildfire seasons or if you have pets at home. Clean air makes a bigger difference than you think. Now, if this video helped you a lot, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the comments below if you have any questions at all. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!